Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop. Ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail,
I'm sorry?
to not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought.
I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that like I've been doing since I've been in here.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much.
Is there any way I could get treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
I think I need treatment.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself.
Alright guys, today we've got a pretty wild courtroom moment. In this case, a defendant is standing in court, claiming she doesn't need treatment for her drug addiction. But wait until you see how this plays out. By the end of the hearing, the judge delivers a pretty serious sentence. And suddenly the same defendant, who said she didn't need treatment, is practically begging for it. This one is honestly pretty crazy to watch. Let me know what you guys think about her performance here. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's jump back into the
Actually, accurate, the court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty. And that would be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge that she just took a plea on. And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days. I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am, let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if I don't really know. Because
ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, so, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know. I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know. I just want to get going on life.
Well, man, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You just ghosted us.
I don't know about you guys, but you can really feel the tension starting to build here. And honestly, I can't blame the judge for what's about to happen. The defendant was originally arrested on drug charges, which is already a serious offense, since possession or use of controlled substances can come with heavy penalties depending on the state. Instead of sending her straight to jail, the court gave her probation. And remember, probation is a privilege, not a right. It's basically the court saying, we're giving you a second chance. Prove that you can follow the rules. But according to the record, she didn't do anything with that opportunity. She was even ordered to attend treatment, which judges often require because the goal of drug court is rehabilitation rather than punishment. But now she's trying to bargain with the judge after failing to follow the conditions of both probation and treatment. If I were the judge, I'd probably be thinking the same thing. At some point, the system has to prioritize accountability and public safety over endless second chances. What do you guys think so far?
I know, if I get probation this time, I told myself, like, you know, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get, like, clean and, you know, by summertime, I'd be, you know, working. I really wanna get a car, but aside from the job thing, just, you know, I wanna draw and make music, and I don't know, I just wanna do things for myself, and I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like, I've been doing since I've been in.
She says she's been drinking water now. I guess that means she's totally ready to go back out on the streets and change her life.
So I haven't
Hey,
been.
ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff, right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to treatment 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motion. You go through the motions. You just go through the motions. You don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, man. I don't know. It feels different. It feels really different. I'm
Well, here's what.
willing for any probation that you can use, like,
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation. I can tell you that much. The court's going to, 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will know that will be served concurrent. And then the court's going to also order on 232479, the court's going to order 93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405. And the court will suspend your fines and costs on this matter. Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93 plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
This might honestly be one of the most bizarre courtroom moments I've seen in a while. The defendant seems completely disconnected from reality here. The judge already gave her a huge break with probation, and she didn't take advantage of it at all then. She sits there saying she doesn't want treatment anymore, which basically leaves the judge with very few options other than jail. Probation isn't a free pass. It's a legal agreement where you stay out of trouble and complete certain requirements, but she's acting like those rules are optional. At this point, the judge probably feels more like a babysitter dealing with someone who refuses to take responsibility. Let me know what you think about this situation so far. Let's jump back into the sentencing.
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
Problem was, when I went to sheriff, I got some people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here. I'm gonna need.
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here. You know, I have my.
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
Somebody in.
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
I really don't. I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in. Because I do have a
Right.
drug.
You
Judge,
said that-
potentially, Judge, we know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we had to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Bolchak, I'm not ordering treatment for you at this point because you stated that you don't need treatment and you only asked for it so that you didn't have to do jail time. Given that and the fact that you had absconded from probation with this court, the court has determined that you're not going to abscond from treatment. So at this point, 138 days is what you're going to serve, ma'am.
Boom. The judge sentences her to 138 days in jail. Now, 138 days might sound like a lot for drug-related charges, but remember, she completely ignored probation requirements and failed to follow the court's orders. Probation is basically the court's version of a second chance, and she had every opportunity to avoid jail time. Instead, she ignored the conditions and ended up right back in front of the judge. At that point, what else is the judge supposed to do? Just let her walk away again. Personally, I think the sentence strikes a balance between accountability and giving her time to reflect, and hopefully make better decisions moving forward. But that's just my opinion. What do you guys think? Was the sentence fair, or was it too harsh? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more wild courtroom moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.